KG5EIU. Going to show you how to get K4 control running on an iPad connecting to your Elecraft K4D on your local network. So let's get started. I have, the first thing you have to do, of course, is set a password up to allow remote connections on the K4D. And if you look over here underneath the little globe here on the radio, if you look on the radio and tap on that, you'll get the server, and then there's a server setting. So in there, you'll want to set a password, a secret password that only you know. That's the password that you will use in K4 Control to connect up. So after that's set, we'll get out of that. Of course, you download the K4 Control app, and there's a few things you want to set up in here before you connect. First, a little gear symbol there on the upper left-hand side. There's some options to set there. More importantly, over here are the settings for K4 Control that you have to set up. Your call sign, your grid square, optionally a operator call, your name, your region, city, state, all that sort of stuff. That's mainly for logging. I like dark mode, so I turn that on. We have some other things here. You can set some preferences. I've set up my QRZ account, and I'm able to do call sign lookup, so it's kind of nice. And these are kind of the defaults showing the pan adapter, the band limits, the modes, the memories, FT8, so on and so forth. And here you can use these sliders to set the spot locations for the call signs. You'll see it in the waterfall when I show that to you. Third-party software, if you want to set up maybe some third-party logging across the network, that's possible. Kind of cool. All right, so once you're done with that, you can get back over here to the waterfall. Once that's all set up, you've got your radio set up, you've got the IP address, which you already know, and you connect up. Now, when you connect up, I'm going to show you what you've got to edit. I'm going to edit these here to show you the fields that you need to fill in. Of course, you're going to give it a name. You want to set up K4 remote. Connection type is going to be network. That's the only choice there. And in your network settings, it's going to be the IP address of your Elecraft K4 radio. And you want to use port 9205, very important. And then the password that you set up in the server client settings from before. So once that's set up, save it, and then you'll want to connect. And here we go. So here we are in K4 Control. I'm running on an iPad, and I've got it muted right now. We can control the volume over here on the iPad. Okay. There's different modes you can go to. There's different tools you can access while you're in K4 Control. And it's as simple as, sliding the blue window to change your frequencies. Of course, you can also enter frequency in there directly. Uh, you can change your AGC. I've got some filters set up here, predefined already. Of course, if you press and hold, you're going to bring up your filter width there. So maybe we like a little bit more. And so that's the setup for K4 Control on an iPad. 7.3 from KG5 EIU.